Normally in our Android phones, we used to install so many applications. When we are installing applications, we used to give some permissions. But after sometimes we will not be remembering what are the permissions we have given, and sometimes we may have given permissions to that app which is not necessary. Anyways, in this video we will be telling about one application that will help you to know about app permissions given. For this you need to install one application. App link is given in the description. App name is App Permission Manager. Anyways, install this application. After installing this application, open this application. When you are opening this application, you can see a page like this. Here you can see one option, App Permissions. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Here some things are given: high risk, medium risk, low risk and no risk. In my case, 163 application is under no risk, but 20 apps permission is under medium risk and 16 apps are under high risk. Anyways, select high risk. Here you can see that details. If there is any application that you don't trust in this page, you should remove that permission. For example, I am selecting Amazon. Amazon is trusted application. For example, I am selecting this. Here you can see every permissions given. If you think that any permission is not necessary for this application, you can turn that permission off. For example, I want to turn off camera permission. So I am turning off. Just click on this and that permission will be turned off. If you want to turn on, just click on this. That will be turned on. Anyways, like this you can disable any permissions you want. After that, check this medium risk option also. From here also, select untrusted applications, and if you think any permission is not necessary, you can disable that permission. So this is a useful application. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.